Have you ever paused to ponder the importance of a reliable dash cam? The answer might surprise you. In the world of fast-paced traffic and unpredictable road incidents, a trusty dash cam becomes your third eye, your silent witness, and your reliable partner on the road. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is one such partner ready to share the road with you. Compact and discreet, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is a small wonder, designed to fit snugly behind your rearview mirror. Its size belies its capabilities, ensuring that it does not distract you from your primary task, driving. Yet, it is always there, capturing every detail on the road with its high-quality 1080p resolution. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 doesn't just record, it captures a broader perspective with its wide-angle lens, ensuring that nothing escapes its watchful gaze. This means more context, more coverage, and more clarity when it matters most. But the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 isn't just about capturing footage. It's about intelligent functionality. It comes equipped with automatic incident detection, a feature that springs into action the moment it senses an accident. This means it automatically saves the footage of the incident, providing you with valuable evidence when needed. Beyond this, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 also offers GPS logging. This feature records the exact location and time of any incidents, providing crucial data for insurance claims and legal matters. However, let's not overlook one feature that some might find less than ideal: the lack of a built-in screen for immediate playback. But considering the overall package, this small inconvenience pales in comparison to the benefits. In summary, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is a compact, high-quality dash cam that offers more than just video recording. Its automatic incident detection and GPS logging features are invaluable tools for documenting accidents and providing crucial data for insurance claims. The wide-angle lens ensures broad coverage, capturing everything that happens on the road. With the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, you're not just getting a dash cam, you're investing in peace of mind, knowing that every journey you take is backed by reliable video documentation. This is more than just a gadget, it's your partner on the road.